already know, bud. You already know.
Oh my God, did you see what Shaniqua was wearing though?
Saw that girl and her J's were so nasty. For real, that girl needs to get knocked out for even thinking about wearing them.
For sure, let's go teach her a lesson. For real, let go.
Yeah, let go.
Let go.
Girl, them shoes is so nasty.
I got my bobo.
Girl, you tripping for real.
Hold up.
You better calm yourself before I get real annoyed.
On the real, though. Child. What your mama said? What's wrong with you, girl?
Hey, this is the last time I'm gonna tell y'all ratchet, so.
Me? Being a ratchet? That's why your boyfriend always be leaving hearts on my pics.
What you say?
Yup, for real, he always be leaving hearts on my pics.
Man, that ain't true.
Is that all you guys?
Yo, dog, tell me this ain't true.
He just said,
It ain't what it
That's all
sounds
you guys
like,
say.
bro.
You want her?
Yeah, he do.
But
Hey,
that's her
dog.
boo.
Hey, I'm
Oh.
gonna tell you, bro.
You know what? I don't even want you.
Whatever.
Peace out.
I'll take your ring back, too.
Get up, punk.
What? What's your problem, man? I'm gonna tell my mom. Man, run to my mama back.
Bro.
Okay, so as you can see, the beginning of your essay should introduce your story. And then the middle is going to be the conflict. Oh my gosh, Tyrell, seriously? I'm not talking right now.
I'm not even doing nothing.
Oh my God, get out in the hallway.
Are you
I'm done with you. Yes,
I swear to
seriously.
God.
I'm so done with this.
Hey!
Alright guys, bye, I'm going home.
Bye, boo boo.
Hi, baby.
And by the way, I'm having a baby, so we gonna be parents.
What? That baby ain't mine. See you on Jerry Springer. I know that ain't but that.
Okay, no, do not check your phone. We are taking a shot right now, so
Tell that, run it, tell that, homeboy, home, boy.
Bro.
Bye.
it hurts. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Lauren, get up.
Do not take your Starbucks.
Your teeth is back to
Very angry.
I smell some doo-doo. I smell some dookie.
I'm not even putting her.